10 Fun Ways to Improve Your English.
Tired of the same old English learning routines? Learning English doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it can be a lot of fun. Let's spice things up with these 10 fun and engaging activities that will help you improve your language skills. 1. Immerse yourself in English media. One of the best ways to improve your English is to immerse yourself in English media. Watch movies and TV shows in English, listen to podcasts, and read books or newspapers in English. Immersion will expose you to the language and help you improve your listening and comprehension skills. Choose media that aligns with your interests and enjoy the process. 2. Practice speaking with others. To improve your English speaking skills, it's crucial to practice speaking with others. Engage in conversations with native English speakers or fellow learners. Join language exchange groups, attend language meetups, or use language learning apps that connect you with native speakers. Practicing with others will help you improve your pronunciation, expand your vocabulary, and build your confidence in speaking English. 3. Write and share your thoughts. Writing in English is a fun and effective way to improve your language skills. Start a blog or keep a journal where you write about your experiences, thoughts, and feelings in English. Writing will help you expand your vocabulary, improve your grammar, and build your confidence in expressing yourself. Share your writings with others to receive feedback and motivate yourself to keep learning. 4. Learn with music and poetry. Music and poetry can be powerful tools for improving your English. Listen to English songs and pay attention to the lyrics. Sing along to improve your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary. Explore different genres and find songs that resonate with you. Learn and recite poems or limericks to improve your fluency and enjoy the beauty of the English language. Number 5. Explore English language games. Language learning can be fun and engaging with the right games and activities. Play word games like Scrabble or crossword puzzles with friends and family. Engage in online chat or social media groups to practice your English in a casual setting. Try interactive language learning apps or online communities that offer engaging exercises and challenges. 6. Learn with movies and TV. Watching movies and TV shows in English is a great way to improve your language skills. Choose movies with subtitles to help you understand the dialogue and improve your listening skills. Practice speaking like the characters and recreate scenes to enhance your pronunciation and fluency. Explore different genres and find movies that interest you. 7. Learn with text messages and voice assistants. Engaging in text message conversations or using voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant can be a fun and interactive way to improve your English. Send text messages to friends or family in English, practicing your writing skills and expanding your vocabulary. Interact with voice assistants to improve your pronunciation and learn new words and phrases. 8. Learn with books and comics. Reading books and comics in English is a great way to improve your language skills. Choose books or comics that interest you and read aloud to practice your pronunciation. Create a list of new words and phrases you encounter and try to use them in your daily conversations. Explore different genres and find books that challenge and engage you. 9. Learn with tongue twisters and idioms. Tongue twisters and idioms can be fun and effective ways to improve your English. Practice saying tongue twisters to improve your pronunciation and learn new words. Explore English idioms and learn how to use them in context. Understanding idioms will make your English more natural and fluent. 10. Learn with real-life conversations. Engaging in real-life conversations with native English speakers is a powerful way to improve your language skills. Initiate conversations with friends, colleagues, or strangers in English. Ask questions, share your thoughts, and listen actively. Immerse yourself in English-speaking environments and practice your speaking skills in real-life situations. Improving your English can be fun with the right mindset and strategies. Immerse yourself in English media, practice speaking with others, write and share your thoughts, learn with music and poetry, explore language games, watch movies and TV, learn with text messages and voice assistants, read books and comics, learn with tongue twisters and idioms, and engage in real-life conversations. Consistency and regular practice are key to progressing in your English language skills. Keep learning, have fun, and watch your English improve. Stay motivated and keep learning.